Hey there, tool enthusiasts! Welcome to samaditech, your ultimate hub for finding the tools that help you get the job done right. Dive into our hand-picked selections and discover how to maximize the power of your Makita shredder and workshop setup. The NEMO AG50M V2 is a top-tier angle grinder built for challenging underwater applications. Powered by a robust 6 amp-hour battery, it offers extended runtime without frequent recharging. Its cordless design ensures unrestricted mobility, making it ideal for confined spaces. With a rugged, ergonomically crafted body, this grinder is corrosion-resistant and can endure prolonged immersion up to 50 meters. The NEMO AG50M V2 allows you to efficiently sand and finish a variety of surfaces underwater, delivering high-quality results with ease. The Spec Ops Tool Hammer is a high-best device designed for each specialists and DIY enthusiasts. Weighing 630 grams, it's perfectly balanced to deliver powerful moves at the same time as preserving ease of use. Its shock soaking up take care of minimizes vibrations and decreases hand fatigue, making it cushy to use for prolonged intervals. The hammer also functions a magnetic nail holder, taking into consideration faster and more unique nailing through securely conserving nails in location. With a clean putting surface for accurate nail placement and an integrated facet nail puller for hard-to-attain fasteners, this hammer is built for performance. Its rust-resistant coating provides durability, making sure durable performance. The electric stairlift is an efficient and powerful tool designed for transporting heavy loads upstairs with ease and safety. Capable of carrying up to 200 kilograms, it's ideal for moving bulky items like furniture and appliances. Built with a durable aluminum frame, it offers strength and reliability while handling substantial weight. Its folding handle simplifies both transportation and storage. Equipped with a sturdy braking system on its wheels, it ensures safe usage and prevents slipping. The electric drive ensures smooth, effortless lifting, reducing the strain of physical labor and delivering consistent performance even under heavy loads. The Calculated Industries Nail and Screw Finder is a compact, efficient tool designed to quickly locate metal elements. Featuring a removable magnetic base, it adapts easily to various surfaces. This device can detect screws and nails up to 19 millimeters deep, providing reliable performance on different wall types. Its magnets securely attach to the metal, and the built-in markers let users identify locations before continuing the search. With the ability to work on 3 positions at once, its small size, 8.9 sax, 3.8 2.5 cm, and lightweight, around 80 grams, make it convenient and comfortable to handle. Whether for home projects or on construction sites, this tool allows hands-free operation once the object is found, enhancing efficiency. The level lock stabilization system enhances ladder stability, even on uneven surfaces, by providing maximum support. With a dependable automatic leveling mechanism, this tool greatly improves safety when working at heights. Attaching the stabilizer to your ladder ensures it remains securely in place, eliminating the risk of movement or imbalance. Built with a durable structure, the level lock is designed for long-term use and is easy to install, seamlessly fitting into your workflow. Whether for home projects or construction sites, this system offers users comfort and safety, making it an essential tool for secure ladder use. The Aardwolf AV40 is a practical tool equipped with a vacuum gripper, specifically designed for the safe and efficient handling of tiles during installation. This device offers a high load capacity of up to 40 kilograms while ensuring ease of use, allowing for a secure grip on ceramic tiles, stone, or glass. With the help of an air compressor, the AV40 provides gentle yet firm support, ideal for materials that require delicate handling. Compatible with standard air compressors with capacities of 147 liters per minute at 8.6 bar, the gripper engages with a simple lever mechanism. Release the lever to effortlessly position the tile. Its compact design and user-friendly operation make the Aardwolf AV40 an essential tool for both industrial and construction settings. The Woodpecker's measuring tool is a premium instrument specifically crafted for professionals in carpentry and furniture making. Designed to deliver precise, repeatable measurements, it is essential for projects that require exact fitting of wooden parts. It features 32-inch extrusion guides, removable MDF skids, clamping handles, and angle scales, ranging from 0 to 15 degrees by 0.5 degrees and 0 to 7 degrees by 25 degrees, along with a short span clamp. If necessary, the guides can be extended up to 42 inches. Woodpeckers helps eliminate errors, enhancing the quality of finished products and streamlining the workflow. Built with a durable construction, this tool is a reliable companion for frequent use, ideal for those who demand precision and perfection in furniture making and woodworking projects. The CAMO Lever is a groundbreaking tool crafted for accurate alignment and secure fastening of boards during deck installations. Its innovative design allows for quick corrections of uneven boards and ensures they stay in place, significantly speeding up the installation process. With just one turn of the handle, you can easily fix the planks into position. This tool is perfect for working with various types of wood, guaranteeing a snug and firm fit for each piece. Its compact size and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, making the CAMO Lever an essential tool for anyone aiming for flawless results when constructing wooden structures. The Wagner Spray Tech is a highly efficient tool designed to remove wallpaper and clean surfaces using the power of steam, eliminating the need for chemicals. It effectively softens even the toughest and adhesive wallpaper, making the removal process quick and easy while preserving the underlying surface. Thanks to its high-temperature steam, the coating separates from the wall without causing damage, saving both time and effort. The device features a practical design with 2 steam plate sizes, making it versatile for use on both horizontal and vertical surfaces, ensuring uniform steam distribution. This makes the Wagner Spray Tech an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike who seek high-quality results. The unit heats up in just 12 minutes and can run independently for up to 2 hours on a single tank. The Milwaukee Pipeline Locator is a professional-grade tool that utilizes superior radio frequency generation for correct detection of steel and plastic pipelines as well as electrical cables. With a detection range of as much as 4 meters and twin 3D antennas, it's ideal for an extensive variety of obligations such as construction, upkeep, and inspections. The intuitive interface, color LCD display, and person-pleasant controls allow for quick setup, minimizing the need for substantial education. Housed in a durable IP65 rated enclosure, the tool is constructed to resist harsh conditions, making sure dependable overall performance in worrying environments. Its ergonomic layout and lightweight 8-kilogram frame enhance user comfort, lowering fatigue at some stage in prolonged use. The Eastwood Fender Roller is a high-quality tool engineered for reshaping fender flanges and arch edges, making it ideal when installing larger wheels. It ensures sufficient tire clearance, helping to prevent fitment issues. Designed to fit any hub with 4 or 5 bolts, the roller's adjustable arm allows it to accommodate nearly any passenger car or small pickup truck. It supports bolt circles with diameters up to 120 millimeters, while lever adjustments ranging from 14 to 22 inches enable precise fitting to various fender sizes and shapes. The Klein Tools Cable Puller is an essential tool for quick and efficient cable installation, specifically designed to simplify the job for electricians and installers. It provides a dependable and user-friendly solution for handling projects of any complexity. Strong magnets ensure a secure grip on wires, allowing for swift and easy pulling. The smooth rolling wheels are engineered to minimize marks and prevent damage to finished walls, ensuring a clean and professional result. Equipped with a 180-degree rotating handle and ergonomic grip, this tool offers precise control and makes the pulling process more comfortable, reducing fatigue. Additionally, markers on all 4 sides of the tool make it easy to locate metal elements within walls. This 2,500-watt electric shredder delivers impressive efficiency and performance, allowing you to process up to 4 cubic meters of garden waste per hour with ease. Equipped with durable steel blades, it swiftly cuts through branches, leaves, and other materials, ensuring fast and reliable results. Its compact size of 50 by 48 by 78 centimeters and lightweight design of 14 kilograms make it easy to transport and store. The shredder features a spacious collection compartment for recycled materials, reducing the need for frequent stops to empty the bin. A standout feature of the Makita UD2500 is its automatic overload shut-off system, which enhances safety and protects the device from damage during operation.